Welcome to Good Food, recipes you and your guests will love. Today's recipe is creamy no-bake cheesecake. Okay, we're going to make our crust for the cheesecake. We're going to put our graham crumbs and our brown sugar and our melted butter all together and stir to combine. If you don't want to use graham crumbs, you could use shortbread cookies, ginger snap cookies, Oreo cookies. Any of those will do. Once combined, we'll put into our individual dishes, or you could use a springform pan. Tap down the graham crumbs in your containers or in your springform pan. Now we're going to make our whipping cream. Use 1 1/4 cup of whipping cream and just beat until stiff peaks form. Okay, let's start with our cheesecake filling. We're going to add 3 bricks of cream cheese and a 1/2 cup of white sugar, and we're going to beat this until it's nice and smooth. Scrape down the edges to make sure you get it all incorporated. Then we'll add our sour cream, our lemon juice, icing sugar, and vanilla. And we're going to beat this until it's combined and smooth. You want to make sure that there are no lumps in the filling. You can also use a stand mixer if you have one. I just use a handheld one. Now we're going to take our whipping cream that we have whipped up and we're going to fold this into our filling. Keep folding until it's all incorporated. Try not to fold too much because we don't want to deflate our whipping cream. Now we'll place in our prepared cups. You can also do this in a springform pan and place in the refrigerator for up to 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Please see the full recipe in the description down below. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.